Dang, all these leaves just came off the roof here.
Oh, they're just getting blown off these cottonwoods. Finally. We're gonna do a big old leaf cleanup soon.
That was crazy. It was even more intense before I started filming, but just getting this three-wheeler out. We're gonna
do a trip out to Bird Creek tomorrow, so we'll get this thing started. All right, y'all, we're gonna go out on a Bird Creek trail run here. Chase is on the three-wheeler with the Deuce. I got the backpack with the XL. We are ready to load up. Get this ready.
All right, y'all, just crossing over Bird Creek here.
Yeah. Nice. Good job, buddy. This thing. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Hard to tell.
Everything okay? All right, y'all, we've reached the end of Bird Creek Trail. We're gonna leave the machines here. Probably just take a walk up and around this area. Try to get in the woods, see some grouse or something. Hopefully see something. Bird Creek is down there, basically in Bird Valley. So I came back about 4 miles, I think. Beautiful day. I'm standing on this huge rock right now. Alright.
Yeehaw! Nice. Nice.
Alright, so we're parked here. Chase just took a walk out in the woods here. Just got one. This poor guy. And the other a couple times. Good nudging, buddy. Alright guys. Look at me. Dude. Huh. well, there you go. Nice. Just getting back to the creek here. A big black bear. Luckily it took off when they heard us coming. I had to get off the bike and get my 357 ready, but man, I wasn't ready. But here's Bird Creek. We're just about to the trailhead. All right, y'all, got the squirrel kind of notice what these little speckles are. These things, little specks all over the not dirt. There's our skull there. I tried to kick the tail off all at once with the hide, but it's like a exit wounds there. May have gotten up in the shoulder as well. But anyway, we're back home and just getting everything unloaded, and just gonna rinse off the machines, get them put up, head inside, and get dried off because my boots are still soaking wet. All right, y'all, we're back after our trip, and this thing, we believe, was running out of fuel. You can hear there's still fuel in there, but we are going to, if I can do it with one hand, we're gonna remove this. This was put on right before our hunting trip, almost a month ago now. And I'm just gonna get that out of there. Everything's basically gonna get stored for the winter now. We did our Bird Creek trip. Well, there's still plenty of fuel in there. I honestly think, yeah, that's what's going on. So when there's a full fuel tank, the way the fuel is enough to push it into the car, but without a breather, we were cavitating or whatever. Basically, the fuel, because there was a vacuum in the tank, the fuel wasn't able to descend into the carburetor, so we were getting fuel starvation. So that makes sense, and I will clean this up. I'm just gonna do this for now. I'm just gonna do just this here. I have the gasket, but good lord, here. Yeah, well, I gotta get the replacement tank. Or try and find a fuel cap that actually would work. But I just haven't seen anything. So let's get all this. Yeah, this is way too much silicone. We gotta do a better job. This here. Oof. Wonder if everything's good in there. Yeah, I need to get a razor in here. Alright, let's just do this. Ladies and gents. I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna just touch it off there. This thing did the job though. It really did. As you saw in the video, she does a wonderful job. Class Parlito, XR250, XL70, 84 Corvette, salmon. It is cooking at a very hot temp. kind of see in there, can't we? That'll slick if I can get on that. There we go. Oh, there it is. All right. We're not quite there yet. That's great. That's greatness. All right, y'all, we're gonna let this cook. I am gonna get a brush and shocking this. I would show you I'm gonna move the butter around over the salmon a little bit better, but this cook has been up and down, so yeah, that's what we're doing right here. Claw chuck is just ready, chomping at the bit. And again, we got some freaking projects up in here. This one I'm most excited about. Booyah.